Hi, this is James from iGlobe, and I am going to show you how to use iGlobe CRM, a Microsoft 365 app. Before doing this, make sure that the app is deployed and secured on your Microsoft 365 by a global Microsoft 365 administrator. A quick note on security and compliance. iGlobe CRM is a Microsoft certified app and is therefore safe to deploy on your Microsoft 365. Feel free to contact us if you want to learn more about the Microsoft 365 App Compliance Program. iGlobe CRM runs on all devices connected to a Microsoft 365 account. In this user guide, we will use the browser version of your Microsoft 365, but everything works the same on all other platforms, as well as on your desktop client. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this video, we will learn how to create a contact in iGlobe CRM. You can add a new contact to an already existing company. You just have to search and open a company profile to add a new contact to. First and last name are the fields that are required to create the contact. When creating a contact, you can easily add the private address, as well as marketing information and notes if necessary. You can also create contact from the contact list by clicking on the icon with plus, filling out the form, and clicking on Save. Notice, if you want to create a contact from the contact list, the dashboard, or the pipeline, you have to fill in the company name. If you create it from the company profile, the company name will be automatically filled in. Same procedure can be done from the dashboard or the pipeline. When using the iGlobe CRM add-in, you can create a contact with a few simple steps. Start by opening an email from the contact you want to add to iGlobe CRM. Open the add-in and click on the plus icon next to the name of the contact, which will be visible to you once you point your cursor there. Then just type in relevant information you want to store and click on Save. Notice, in case you need to create a new company with this contact, click on the menu and select Create Company first. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the other parts of the user guide. If you need further help, don't hesitate to contact us. Find more useful links in the description below, and I will see you in other iGlobe videos. Bye!